when your baby is up to the 0 to 6 months. See, here the baby is dependent on a mother milk only. So once the baby is infected from the same, you have to go for the increase uh, supply of the breast milk. You have to increase the frequency of mother's milk. Next, if the baby is having complaint of oozing from the nose, there is constantly discharge, you have to check up. When the baby lie down, there will be the blockage of nose, because what happens, the post nasal droop will be going on. Once you lie down, the post nasal droop will be go, and that choke the airflow, so that the baby is unable to breathe. So at that time you have to elevate the baby's head, so that the airflow will be maintained and breathing is okay. If the baby is having cough and cold, you have to take a vessel, keep ghee diya into that. Above that, you have to make that floor vessel, and you have to pick betel leaves. You have to just warm it and put it on a baby's chest as well as the back. You have to continuously go for every 1.5 hours. You have to change the leaf. It is darkened out, and the aroma will be go into the baby's nose, and it will give wonderful results. Next important thing, if you can go for, you have to roast the ajwain on the pan, and that ajwain you have to make one small potli and tie on baby's neck other or a mother's neck. So the ajwain, roasted ajwain aroma will inhale through the baby's nose, and it will be give wonderful result when baby is suffering from cold and coryza, especially in runny nose. Next important thing, you can make a ball, a laddu of ginger powder and jaggery with a teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of cow ghee, and you have to make a ball and just try to inhale through the baby. You have to cap that ball near the baby's nose. This is again a aromatherapy that will help the baby to open up the blockage of the nose. So this is what the basic home remedies for a kid. Once the baby is going for a coughing, you have to take little pinch of turmeric, the whole turmeric, and you have to just make a small paste of it, and you have to add 1 teaspoon that, and add 1 tablespoon of breast milk. You have to add into that, and you have to give the baby, because up to 0 to 6 months baby is only dependent on the breast milk only. So you have to add turmeric with a breast milk and give it to the baby. This will give wonderful effect in coughing of 0 to 6 months. Now what happened? Once the baby crosses the 6 months, at that time you can give the same turmeric but in a much quantity. See, every preparation you go for adult, you can also give to the above the 6 months old baby, but the thing is that the doses are limited. If you go for the same, you can also give ginger juice, you can also give ginger plus honey combination to 0 above 6 months baby, but that will be only teaspoon only. You have to give 3 times a day and for 3 days. This will give wonderful effect. No need to go for other medication. You can use home remedies for cold and cough. Thank you.